Hey everyone, welcome back to CWLbuilds. I'm Caleb and today I'm going to be putting on the final Robin costume. Now if you've been following this channel, you know I've built the bow staff, the gauntlets, and the chest armor here for you guys. Now I'm going to be putting everything on. It's the final version, it's what I wore to Heroes and Villains a month ago. And I wanted to show you guys the completed version and how I put it on by myself. Let's go. Okay, so the base layer of my costume is actually what I'm wearing right now, minus the jacket. So I'm going to take this off. So the base layer is this black turtleneck, black jeans, and black combat boots. And you'll see those in a second when I put on the shin guards. So I guess the first things first, let's put on the shin guards. Okay, so these are from Amazon. They are motorcycle shin guards, but they're pretty flimsy. I wouldn't wear them for motorcycling, but they work great for the costume. Now, normally I would make my own shin guards, but I was kind of running out of time, and these actually are pretty nice. I don't know if I could make ones that were this nice and had nice padding and everything for the same price as these. So they're very simple to put on. They just have a couple straps. They go around the other side and hook on. They have a lot of movement, which is nice. And funny enough, the other Robins and Red Hoods and Batmans and such that I saw at Comic-Con, probably a good 25 to 30% of them had these exact same ones. So they work well for this kind of costume. Okay, so the next piece is this skirt looking thing. A little funny looking, but basically what it does is it makes it look like I'm wearing a tunic without having to actually make an entire tunic. So it just goes right here. There's Velcro on the back. And it does that. Now this covers up my pockets. And then the armor will go right down to here, and the belt goes right here, so it covers up this seam. Okay, so here is the chest armor. Okay, it's got plates, they all move, and it is on this vest thing, and all it does is it goes over my torso, hooks in the back, and then clips with these clips right here. This slides over my head like such. There's some Velcro here on the side, just kind of gets it started like such. Here's the other side. And now we buckle. And there we go. The armor is on. Now I put the belt on, and that will connect this to this. Okay, so here we go, we have the belt. This belt is one of the cheap plastic ones that you can get from, I believe it's Ruby's, and it is the Dark Knight Rises one, the Christian Bale Batman belt. And all I did was painted it and redid this center button right here. So I also put some magnets on the back, so it just clips together. So I put that there. Hooks in the back just like that. Alright, next thing I put on is my cape. And black on one side, yellow on the other. Has a hood. It's got two buckles on either ends of the hood, and those go to the other parts of the buckles, which are right here. Okay, now here we have it, it's all put on. Now there's a problem. It covers up my entire armor, which kind of sucks because I worked super hard on it. So what I've done is there's pieces of Velcro right here, which go underneath to this black dot right here, that's Velcro. And I have some Velcro that's up on top of my shoulders here. And all this Velcro hooks together to keep this away from my armor. Keeps it looking good. Just like that. Now that keeps it away, keeps it looking nice. Shows off the armor still. There is a hood. Actually pretty happy with this hood. It does the nice Ezio Assassin's Creed bell shape, which is nice. Alright, so the next thing to go on are my shoulder pauldrons. Okay. Made these myself, EVA foam. I made them with the armor part. So one at a time. There is an order to it, so a bullet hole on this side. So all it does is there's a piece of Velcro here, piece of Velcro here. Gotta get the hood out of the way. And just like that, it's on and attached. Do a close up on this one. And there we have it. Pauldrons are on, and all that's left are the gauntlets and the gloves. Alright, so the gauntlets are as easy as sliding them over your arm. And attaching them. Now this is probably the hardest part because I'm trying to buckle with one hand. And there's cloth in the way, which makes it even harder. Just like that, they're both on. Final step, gloves. These gloves, I got them from a thrift store, so I don't know what brand they are. They were $3. I think they're motorcycle gloves. Best $3 I've ever spent. They're super, super durable, super comfortable, and fit my hand like a glove, no pun intended. So, you just slide them on, tighten up the straps, and boom. Same thing the other side. Boom. Alright, so this mask right here is from Zolprime Props. I'll leave a link to them in the description. He's a seller on Etsy. This is some sort of latex silicone mask, and it fits right to my head, like such. I use a little bottle of spirit gum to put it on. You don't need a whole lot. It's like a contact cement, so basically a little bit here, here, here. Sometimes I put a little here, and then the same on here. Just remember, you never want to put it on here or else say goodbye to your eyebrows. So there it is. For the black around my eyes, for the main black I use this Snazaroo black clown makeup, and then for right around my eyes I use just a Revlon eyeliner that I have. It's definitely not pretty, but it'll do because the rest of it's going to be covered with black anyways. Do not have my sponge here, the black on it, and we just black up the rest of my eye. Until you got a nice raccoon eye. Very, very smoky eye. There we go. So now I have my black eyes, and we can finish. Oops, that's backwards. Putting this on, and we can clean up any edges that spilled over. Okay, so I have spear gum here and here on the edges of the mask. Now you just place and stick. Just like that. Normally, I would have some here and here, and this holds down these little flaps here. Hey everyone, so the next part of this video is actually out of focus, and I apologize about that. The reason it's out of focus is because when I put on the mask, the facial recognition in my camera that recognizes my face and then focuses on it didn't recognize my face because I was wearing the mask. So kind of funny, but I apologize about the out of focusness, and it'll be over real fast though. Okay, so the mask is on, the makeup's on, everything's on. Well, not everything, I'm missing the gloves and gauntlets, but I had to take those off to put on the mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, put them down in the comment section, and I love getting back to you guys. I love answering your questions. And if you make a costume like this that was inspired by mine, or you took my video into consideration when making yours, send me some pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram is CWLbuilds, same as my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.